Meaning of dinette.
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 Dinette. A dinette is a small dining area that often occupies a corner of a kitchen or living room. It typically consists of a table and chairs, and is designed to accommodate casual meals and snacks. Dinette sets can come in various styles and sizes, and are often less formal than traditional dining room furniture. Due to their compact size, dinettes are commonly found in apartments, small homes, and RVs. Overall, a dinette is a convenient and practical option for those who need a space-saving dining solution.